Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Razer Blade 15. To do it, make sure that your device is turned on, and then you can just proceed to select the country or region. It may ask you for the language before, but in my case it just went straight to the region, so I'm gonna select the region, then click on yes. And now select your input method, so I'm gonna select my keyboard layout, then click on yes. You can add another layout by clicking here or click on skip if you want to use just one layout. Now select a network that you want to use. So I'm gonna select this one, click on connect, then enter its password. Now it's connecting, and if the password was correct, then you should be able to click on next. Now click on accept. Now you can name your device. I'm gonna skip for now, so it's gonna use the default name. It asks me to log into a Microsoft account, so let's click on sign in. And I think there is no way actually to create a local account, so you just need to sign in or create an account. So I'm gonna sign in. Then enter the password. And now it's adding my account. Now you need to click on create pin, and you can create the pin. You can also click here to include letters and symbols, but I'm gonna just create a standard numerical pin. Let's confirm it. And then click on OK. Then you can accept location, find my device, diagnostic data, inking and typing, tailored experiences, and advertising ID. I'm gonna just accept that, but you should really just read them and decide yourself whether they are important to you. Then I can restore from a backup, but I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna click on more options and click on setup as new PC, but if you want you can choose your backup to restore from it. I actually don't like restoring from backup, so I'm gonna skip that. Now it will get some things ready, and I'm gonna get back to you in a moment. Okay. Now it asks me for something to customize my experience, but I'm gonna skip that. But if you want, you can just select what are you willing to do on your PC. Then it asks me for something else, which I'm also gonna skip because I don't care. Then another thing which I'm gonna skip, and then also something that I'm gonna skip, but you can, if you like these things, you can read them. Then another bloatware which I'm gonna skip, and then I'm gonna click on next. So these are the things that you need to read yourself and decide on your own. And now I'm signed in. Finally the setup process is done, and I can just proceed to use my PC. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.